Before jumping into start, let's get all these materials prepared. Heat-resistant gloves. Heat-resistant tape. 4mm heat press mat. 20-ounce tumbler. Printed design and scissor. Step 1. Power on the machine and set up parameter. Short press the power button to turn it on. Here we are using a 20-ounce tumbler. So press the custom button to customize the ironing modes to mode A. You'll also need to use a 4mm heat press mat. The machine features 4 preset modes: A, B, C, and D. Step 2. Print and apply the printed sublimation paper. Open the Locklick Idea Studio, then click Library to select an image you like. Or go to File Upload to upload your own. In the My Device panel on the right, select HTVRONT A200 Auto Tumbler Heat Press. Since we are working with a 20-ounce tumbler, set the canvas size to A4. Upload your image. Adjust it to the right size. And click Clipping Mask to crop it to fit the tumbler. Do not forget to mirror your design before printing. In Print Setup, click on Properties. Select A4 document size. Choose Landscape as your printing orientation. Then select Epson Matte 4 paper type and set quality to high. Click OK and start printing. Print the image out on sublimation paper and dry it. Cut the image out to fit the tumbler size. Clean and wipe the tumbler. And attach the image tightly to the tumbler with heat-resistant tape. Step 3. Wrap the tumbler with the heat press mat and insert. Wrap the tumbler with the heat press mat. And please keep both ends aligned. Once the start button turns green, wear heat-resistant gloves and place the tumbler into the heat plate from the right opening, with the open end facing up and centered. Step 4. Start pressing. Press the start button to start automatic ironing. The heat plate will release when the countdown ends and the device will beep 3 times. Step 5. Hot peel. Take the tumbler and heat press mat out. Wait for 30 seconds and tear off the sublimation paper. Do not place the heated heat press mat on the machine surface. It is extremely hot. Do not rinse it with cold water immediately to avoid bursting.